Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Khan and today I am going to talk about Portugal's passive income visa. That is also, you can say, a retirement visa, and it is called D7 visa in Portugal, right? So I will tell you the benefits of this visa. I will tell you the requirements of this visa and the steps to obtain this visa and who is eligible. Basically everyone is eligible for this visa. Anyone who has the minimum requirements, like the minimum income requirements, right? So the first thing is this visa has a lot of benefits and advantages for anybody who get it because Portugal is a stable economy. It is a very famous place for digital nomads and for retired people. If you search on the internet, you will find that Portugal is in the top 5 countries because it is not very much colder like other European countries. The main benefits of this visa is once you get it, you have access to Portuguese educational system. Like if you have kids, they can study in the school in Portugal, public schools, and also you get access to healthcare in Portugal. You get free access to all other Schengen countries because Portugal is part of the Schengen area, and you can live, study and work in Portugal. This is the best thing, guys. And also you can start a business in Portugal if you want, of course. So these are the main benefits. There are many other benefits, small. Now come to the main thing. What are the requirements? This is one of the easiest visas, guys, in the European Union. Like you just need 760 euros income per month. That income should be passive, like it is coming from something where you don't need to work, right? Like it should be something passive and something regularly coming, right? Stable income. For example, you have real estate and you get rental income from that real estate, like your property, or you have shares in a company and you get income in shape of dividends, right? So this is the type of income which is accepted for this visa, and right now it is 760 euros a month. That is for a single applicant. If you are a single person, if you have a spouse, then 50% of that amount should be added to the monthly income. If you have children, then 30% of that income should be added more to the total amount. So basically, if you have like a spouse and yourself, then this would be around 1100 euros. If you have one kid, then it should be like around 1300 euros. If you have two kids, then the total monthly requirement should be like 1400 or 1500 euros a month. And then for 1 year, that should be like 18,000 euros if you have two kids and your spouse. If only spouse, then for the whole year, it should be around 15,000 euros, right? So this is the main requirement for this program. Now the other requirements are like 1 year medical insurance in Portugal, 1 year rental contract. Like you should get a place as a rent, as a tenant. So that should be arranged in advance, right? And you should also have a local bank account in Portugal. How you can do that? You can visit Portugal and open a bank account. It's easy, or you can do it online, or you can send a power of attorney to someone in Portugal, like some lawyer or somebody, and they will arrange the rental contract for you, and also they can open a bank account for you and all other necessary documents in Portugal, right? So these are the basic documents and the requirements you need in order to apply for Portugal's visa, right? So now come to the main topic, for applying this visa, the steps for applying this visa, how you can apply. In your origin country, like where you live right now, you have to go to the VFS Global website. Every country has a VFS Global center for visa processing because Portugal has outsourced the visa application process to a third party company which is called VFS Global. So that VFS Global basically receives your application and they will transfer your application to the consulate or embassy in that country, right? And then the embassy will process your application and they will issue you a visa which is called D7 visa. You need to get that visa in order to enter Portugal and then apply for a residence permit, because initially you can get a 1 year residence permit and then you can renew it for 2 years. And finally, it gives you access to Portuguese citizenship. Like after living for 5 years in Portugal, you can apply for Portuguese citizenship, or you can say the European Union citizenship, right? You will go to VFS Global in your country. You can check their website first because they will have written all the required documents. So you don't need to face any hassle. Like first you should check the website, and on the website you will see the exact documents you need to bring to VFS Global in order to apply for this visa. And I have already told you the main requirements are. Now the next, in Portugal, what you need 1 year rental contract, your bank account there, and you have already deposited 1 year's expenditure money. Like if your spouse and you are the only one applying, then you need like 15,000 euros a year, right? But you can calculate like 760 euro for you and 50% of that for your spouse, right? So then you calculate for 1 year and then deposit 1 year's money in your Portuguese account, and then you can get the bank statement, so you can apply for the visa in your own country. So medical insurance for 1 year in Portugal, 1 year contract, and 1 year deposit money in the bank in Portugal. And then other small basic documents you can get online, right? So this all information you will find on the official website of VFS Global. Then you take your passports. If you have your spouse, you can get your spouse passport as well, and you apply for this visa in your home country, and it takes like 30 to 40 days for this visa to come. So once you get the D7 visa, it will be valid for 4 months, right? 4 months it has, in 2 entries, 2 times you can go to Portugal on this visa. So once you get the visa in your hands, then you can simply travel to Portugal. Also keep in mind the documents you submitted to VFS Global in your home country. Keep those documents with you, or at least the copies of those documents with you. Once you go to Portugal, you will see on your visa there will be an appointment date with the EMA. EMA is the department who process residence permit in Portugal. So you will have a date written on your visa. You need to go on that date for biometric information like your fingerprints and your photograph, digital photograph in Portugal. So once you give your biometrics there, you need to wait like 15 to 20 days or 1 month, and you will receive your residence card in Portugal. That's it, guys. Once you receive your residence permit, you can start your new life in Portugal. That is the process, guys. I have shown you in pictures. I have given you all the information related to D7 visa in Portugal, and I will give you similar information about all other digital nomad visas and passive income visas. If you have any question, please put down that in the comment and I will be able to answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you with another one very soon.